Everything changes the moment you stop trying to fix your life from the outside and start rebuilding from the inside. Identity before action, clarity before speed, alignment before ambition. You will walk through loss, reinvention, and moments that feel like collapse. But none of it is punishment, it's preparation. You will rise with a sharper mind, a clearer mission, and a deeper authority than you've ever imagined. So breathe, slow down. You're not running out of time. You're shedding a version of yourself that cannot carry you into the future you were built for. Trust who you're becoming. Be first, do second, have third. You're closer than you think. Signed, your future self.